Okay, well, we are in Seal Beach today, Seal Beach, California. Let's see how this goes. Never been here actually, so let's see.
Wanted to take cute pictures.
What's up?
Should we do an OOTD?
Oh, sure.
Okay, let's
Can do right here. Okay.
Okay. So I'm wearing black bikini bottom and it used to be strapless, but I added some straps. And then this is what it looks like. Okay, next.
Okay, Uy, careful.
I'm wearing these pink shorts and this black shirt that has anchors on it.
I'm wearing this really cute old dressy dress from Fabletics. This little cute little like over top from my mom's closet. And then obviously that's from Ben. These are from Marshalls and Marshalls. So cute. Mine is asada. My mom's is al pastor. So yummy. Well, thank you, baby. Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 of this spontaneous adventure. We came back home. So apparently we had gotten an Airbnb. What am I saying? But it was so small. It was 1 bed, 15 people. That was not gonna work. So my mom, Ben, and I decided to just drive back home at 1 a.m. So we got home at like 2 because it's in Long Beach. I live in Irvine. But we decided to drive back. We had a super fun like evening last night. Today I think we're gonna have some more fun. But yeah, let's get ready because we are running a little late.
Sorry. Hi.
We're gonna get some Starbies. because we're running late.
Hi guys, it is, I don't know what day it is, but we are currently kayaking in Long Beach. They're all the way over there. We were beating them, but we crashed into Chino, and so. But it's so fun. Look, you can like stick your foot out. Can you guys see that? Stick your foot out. But yeah, we're having so much fun. We are. So good. Our jacked muscles are being put to good use. But yeah, basically, that's life. That's life today. I think we need to catch up though. Look at my jack. Look at my shoulder, bro.